You have a great app idea, but no coding skills? For years, that's where the dream died. What if you could build that app right now using nothing but your words? What if you could visually design how an AI thinks and then deploy it as a tool for anyone to use in minutes? It's no longer a what if. This is Opal, a brand new experimental tool from Google Labs, and it is a complete paradigm shift in software creation. This is not about generating code snippets. This is about building and shipping entire AI powered applications from start to finish with a drag and drop interface. In this video, we're going to do a deep dive into how it works, build an app from scratch, and show you how this is about to unlock a new gold rush for creators and entrepreneurs. So, what is this exactly? Opal is a visual, no-code workflow builder. It lets you chain together different prompts, AI models, and tools to create a mini app that accomplishes a specific multi-step task. Think of it like this. Instead of just asking an AI to do one thing, you're building a complete assembly line of AI workers. You design the logic, you create the user interface with simple text prompts, and Opal handles all the hosting, all the backend, everything. And because it's in a public beta, you can get access and start building right now. Let's get our hands dirty and build something practical. This is the editor for a blog post writer app. On the left, you can see the visual workflow I've built. It starts with get topic, which is a user input block. This flows into do research, which searches the web. That research is then used by two parallel steps: write outline and generate banner. And finally, the outline and the banner image are used to write the post and display the blog post. You are literally drawing a map of how the AI will think. Once you've designed the editor, you flip over to the app view, and this is what your end user will see. It's a clean interface that was generated automatically from our workflow. It's asking for the topic of the blog post. I'm going to type in health and fitness and hit start. Now, Opal is executing our workflow step by step. It's doing the research, generating the outline, creating a unique banner image with an image model, and then writing the full article. And here is the final product. In just a few moments, we have a complete, well-structured blog post titled From Caveman to Coder: The Epic Journey of Health and Fitness, complete with an introduction, different sections breaking down the history and modern trends, and a stunning, completely original AI-generated banner image to go with it. All of this from a two-word prompt in an app that we just visually designed. And the possibilities are endless. You can build a video marketer that takes a product name and target audience, researches the product, and then generates ad copy, a video description, and a full ad campaign. Or you can build something incredibly creative, like this city builder, which takes a location and a genre and generates an entire video game concept, complete with key art and a cinematic trailer. These are not just simple tools, they are complex, multimodal workflows that you can build in an afternoon. And what's even more impressive is that these apps can be interactive. Here's a fashion stylist that asks for your location, gets the weather report, then asks follow-up questions about your style to generate the perfect outfit recommendation, complete with an AI-generated image. This is a multi-turn conversational app that refines its output based on user feedback. The app starts by asking for a location so it can check the weather. After I input New York City, it doesn't just guess what I might want to wear. It comes back with a series of intelligent, clarifying questions to truly personalize the result. What's your gender? Your age? What defines your style? This is the A. I, using the workflow we designed to gather all the necessary data before it makes a decision. But it's not just limited to text and static images. You can build something incredibly creative and complex, like this city builder app. Just look at this workflow in the editor. We're chaining together multiple AI models, one to get location details, one to generate a game concept, several to generate image prompts, and then the final images and even models to generate and render a full video trailer. This is a true multimodal assembly line. And here is the result: an entire pitch for a video game called Cyberpunk Odyssey. It has generated a full game concept describing a world of cybernetically enhanced operatives leaping across the crystalline rooftops of a futuristic New York City. This is the future for entrepreneurs and creators. You no longer need a team of developers to build your idea. You can now build powerful, niche AI tools for any industry: real estate, marketing, education, finance, and you can sell them as a service, build a SaaS business, or use them to supercharge your own content creation. The barrier to entry has just been completely demolished. And this is our entire mission at Mike's AI Forge. I test these cutting edge tools and workflows on YouTube, and then I give you the power to deploy them in one click. We have curated directories of the best AI tools, free utilities to optimize your workflow, and a community of builders all working together to build the future. If you're ready to stop just talking about ideas and start building them, I'm inviting you to join the Forge. Click the first link in the description to get free access to my platform. Thanks for forging with me today. If you got value from this video, hit that subscribe button because this is just the beginning. I'll see you in the next one.